Hello everyone, welcome back to Sumiyu Share Market YouTube channel. So this is the second day. So yesterday we discussed about some stocks for selling and buying bias. So yes, so we can see on the board for the Nifty 50 selling stocks. Today we expected some selling in SBI Bank, Bajaj Finance, Maruti Suzuki, M&M, Sun Pharma, Axis Bank, Eternal, NTPC, Power Grid, Asian Paints, Cipla and Dr. Reddy's. And we expected some buying bias in ONGC, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Max Healthcare and Apollo Hospital. As we expected, so in our setups, so in my setup especially, so I have found so Maruti Suzuki in a selling trade and Axis Bank for the selling trade and Dr. Reddy's for the selling side as per my setup. So today out of these 12 stocks, so 3 stocks were in the setup where we can directly expect the selling. So at the same time, so in buying also, so I have seen ONGC, Wipro and Apollo Hospitals. These are the 3 stocks where the buying setup has been activated and it's good for buying. So you can think like this. So out of 12, so we got only 3 stocks. So that's okay. So it doesn't mean if we expect 12 stocks for the selling bias, it doesn't mean like all 12 stocks should be go for the selling. So it depends on the market condition and it depends on the news also sometimes, and it depends on the orders. So because of that reason, so what we do is, so we will be having some sell side setups and buy side setups. If in these stocks, if any buying setup activate means, for example, today Bajaj Finance has given a tremendous upside move. So, but we are not interested for that upside move because we are expecting Bajaj Finance to go down today, but it didn't happen. So the buying is happening in the Bajaj Finance. We completely ignore that. So, but if the selling setup activate means, we'll definitely go for the selling in Bajaj Finance also for the today's date. So this is how it will be. So for the 15th October, so these are the stocks which I have listed for the yesterday for the up move and down move. So out of 12, 3 stocks were supported my strategy or my setup for the down move, and out of 5 stocks, the 3 stocks were supported for the up move. So the reason behind is out of 5, 3 out of 5 stocks has been given a positive movement. The only reason is Nifty today has a very good move in the Nifty market. So it's making a higher high and Nifty was going very nicely. So it was a good trading day for Nifty. That is the reason the buying setups has been activated in so many things, and that is also one of the reason instead of selling, the buyer took over and the buying happened in these stocks. So this is all about the yesterday. If anyone so observed means, out of these 12 stocks, they got 3 stocks for the selling and they got 3 stocks for the buying. So this is all about yesterday's market observation and today's real current market. So what we do is, so I do one thing. So again I have listed other stocks for tomorrow. Anyhow, today is 15, right? So now for 16th I have some stocks for buying and selling bias. So what I do is, I'll erase these stocks and I'll write it down, the buying and selling stocks immediately, so that we will be having on this board for tomorrow also. So there is no need to worry about anything. So let's see. Today I think the buying stocks were more comparatively selling stocks because the buying has been happened now. So buyers took over Nifty again. So that is the reason. So now I'll list it out. Before buying stocks, before the buy, I'll write it down the sell stocks. So the stocks which I have got is, so the first one is Reliance. So I wanted to go short Reliance. If any sell side activity, sell side setup activates tomorrow, then Kotak Bank, then I am expecting in HCL Technologies, then 4th stocks is Bajaj Auto, then 5th one is Eicher Motors. Then sixth one is Tech Mahindra. So these are the 6 stocks out of 50 stocks. That means 6 stocks out of 50 stocks. Tomorrow I am expecting sell position in these stocks. If any sell side setup activates means in these stocks, I am going for the selling. So at the same time, so I will be having some other stocks in buying. So HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, SBI. See, the logic is very simple. Yesterday SBI stock is in the selling zone, but today because of the Nifty movement or because of buyers came back to the market, the SBI is completely flipped. So this is the day we should not trade, because the bias is different in our mind. As per the yesterday's market, the bias is selling side, but the buying has been came. So if we go for sell means the stop loss will be huge, and the stop loss will be taken by the market. That is the reason we should not go for buying against the bias or against the trend. So then Bajaj Finance, same with Bajaj Finance also. Then ITC, then M&M, as we expected, as SBI flipped, Bajaj Finance flipped, M&M also came to buying instead of selling. So then we have the stock called Titan, then we have BEL, then we have JSW Steel. So I am expecting JSW Steel will perform better tomorrow. So then we will having Coal India. Then we are having Asian Paints. Asian Paints also flip. So now these are the stocks I am looking for sell tomorrow, and these are the stocks I am looking for buying tomorrow. So how many stocks are there here? For buying I have 11 stocks out of 50. Here 6 stocks out of 50. So our work is very simple. If anybody trading in stocks only means, so they just look for these 17 stocks, 6 plus 11, 17 stocks. Out of 17 stocks, as per the bias, you look for your setups. If your setup activates as per the bias, so then it's definitely it will help you. So let's see how this is how I'll come up every day, and I'll give my view on the market and some stocks in Nifty 50. So tomorrow, as we expected, so these stocks will go in a sell and these stocks will go in for the buy momentum. So let's see if this is a bias. See, I'm not giving any setup or anything. I'm just giving bias. Okay. If as per the bias your setup triggers, then it's good to take a trade. So with a small stop loss or a preferred stop loss as per your last exposure. So this is all about the day. So nothing much. So when it comes to today's market is a very good market. First thing. So let me explain you the Nifty also. So today's market is very simple. The market is opened little bit flat, or we can call it a small gap up kind of things. The market has opened, and the market has shown a very good positive momentum. So the volume is increasing on the entire day. So there is no dip in the volume. So and the price has been sustained. So this is a positive sign that tomorrow the market, if it gaps up and opens, so if it is sustained, so 25,400, then we can expect a good move in the Nifty also. So I think this is all about the day. So let's see how these stocks will perform tomorrow, and I'll get back to you with another video like this. So I'll analyze whatever the stocks has been meant for sell and buy, as we discussed in this video. Thank you very much supporting me like this. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Sumayu Share Market. Then if you guys have anything, means you can comment on my video so that I can reply. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.